coming, mountains calling our name. South on 550, riding through the flame. Rolling out of Montrose through the Uncompahgre plain, where you people hunted and called the hot springs home again. Chief Ouray walked these valleys, kept the peace so true. Now the San Juans rise like a promise breaking through. South on 550, history on the wind. Past Ridgway reservoir, where the old ranch life begins. Otto Mears carved a toll road back in '83, from miners chasing silver in the wild and free. Cliffs climb higher, the road hugs the stone. $1,000,000 stories in every twist and turn we own. Till death we do parks, under big blue skies. Montrose to Ouray, feeling so alive. Ridgway State Park with its mirror blue gleam, once a railroad hub for the Rio Grande Southern dream. Aspens dance in the breeze where the boom days roared. Now peace and beauty line this historic road. South on 550, history on the wind. Past Ridgway's reservoir, where the old ranch life begins. Otto Mears carved the toll road back in '83, from miners chasing silver in the wild and free. Cliffs climb higher, the road hugs the stone. $1,000,000 stories in every twist and turn we own. Till death we do parks, under big blue skies. Montrose to Ouray, feeling so alive. Steam from the sacred springs still rises soft and slow, where weary travelers soaked a century ago. Box Canyon waits, Ouray stands proud and grand. Switzerland of America, carved by nature's hand. South on 550, history on the wind. Ridgway and the peaks, where the legends still spin. From you trails to Mears, mighty road. To Mears, mighty road. Mighty road. Till death we do parks, we carry the load. Montrose to Ouray, what a beautiful ride, under these Colorado skies, side by side.